Solve the absolute value equation. The absolute value of 3 minus 5x is equal to the absolute value of 2x plus 8. Now, if the absolute value of two quantities is equal, that means that they must be equal or they are opposite. Let's write two equations describing both of those options. So either 3 minus 5x is equal to 2x plus 8, or 3 minus 5x is equal to the opposite or the negative of 2x plus 8. Let's solve each of these equations now for x. Starting with our one on the left, if we subtract 2x from both sides, we get a negative 7x on the left. Subtract 3 from both sides, so 8 minus that 3 is 5. Now divide both sides by negative 7, giving x is equal to a negative 5/7. With our second equation, let's start by distributing our minus sign through the parentheses. So 3 minus 5x is equal to a negative 2x minus 8. Now let's add 2x to both sides. Negative 5x plus 2x is a negative 3x. Let's subtract 3 from both sides. So negative 8 minus 3 is a negative 11. Divide both sides by negative 3, giving x is equal to a positive 11/3. So we have two solutions to this equation. If we check them in that original equation, and that's always a good idea to ensure that you've made no errors, but checking both of these is going to verify that the solution set is indeed negative 5/7 and 11/3.